Hey y'all, hey, it's LaQuinda Renee, aka Coach Professor Q to you, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you will get cultural education through dance, through movement, and also a few other random things, but that's mostly what this channel will be about. This is the home of Somewhere Dancing, a show that explores dance through culture and culture through the lifestyles of dancers and movement, arts, and events around the world. I'll be taking classes with them. I'll be getting to know their personal life stories. You know, you always see them as entertainers, but here we're going to explore who they are as people. I'm also going to be going to different places around the world and actually learning about the culture and letting you guys in on my journey as an ethnochoreologist. And that is a person who uses several different disciplines: anthropology, psychology, theology, all the ologies really, to study dance and to study culture using movement arts. So I hope you guys enjoy the channel, and today, this was supposed to be my first video, but we released the episode 2 weeks ago. But today you'll get a 2-episode release. You'll have this introduction, and then you'll have this next video that will kind of show you my adventures as an ethnochoreologist. Like I said, some of the most important and most educational experiences I've had as I traveled the world was through dancers and through dance and just getting to know the movement artists and the movement there. And I wanted to share my journey with you guys because I've had such an exciting time being able to explore the world, travel the world, and learn about the world through the dancers, through dancing. And dancers are some of the most interesting people I know. Like, creative, in shape, talented, intelligent, stylish. Like, dancers give you everything. Sexy, like, we give it all. So this show, you never know what type of dance style you get. You'll never know who will be a guest. It could be your favorite dancer. It could be your favorite TikToker. It could be your grandma who was my teacher in 3rd grade. Like, you never know. We could be doing hula dancing one week in Hawaii. The next week, we're on the streets of Johannesburg getting in some Afro beats and some Afro house. The next week after that, we could be in Texas at who knows, at a club with a cowboy hat on, doing square dancing. And then the week after that, we can be somewhere clothing. Like, I love all forms of dance. So I hope if you love dance as much as I do, that you find this show useful, entertaining, educational, and bring some joy into your life and some understanding about different people and different cultures and why we should be a lot more loving to each other in this world. The concept of this video is the woman that dances in 7 languages. And that is kind of what I consider myself. I'm not the foremost dance expert in the world, but I will be talking to some of them. And I do consider myself one of the foremost appreciators of dance in the world. There is no type of dance that I feel taboo about or feel like it's greater than any other. So this is going to be a fun channel, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Coach Professor Q. You can also follow the project page at Somewhere Dancing TV. No, you can't. That's not the that's not that. The ad for the project page is at Somewhere Dancing _ on Instagram, and the Facebook page will be up soon. So again, just follow along. It's only gonna get better from here.